Oh. In the honors of Bhaskar Kiran Bora and his wife, his respective family, I released this book. The name of this book is Jaintia Pahar, that Bhaskar written in Assamese language.
Dolloi ka ilaka juai ma puramon kenjing ha ka shipho trik naitung ula palat ba ya ka kat kabala tho ha ka tin Assamese kabala jer kerteng Jaintia Pahar ne rilum Jaintia bala tho da Bhaskar Kiran Bora ya ka ni ka kat la tho kat kum ka jingsham jong Bhaskar Kiran Bora ha ki arpos na menshwa ba ulawan jingo ya ka Jaintia Hills bat ula tho shapang ka jat ben riu penar ka kolshor ka niam tri ki khana tang bat kiwe Shuaban pelat ya kakot la penlong ya kajingalang kabalingkot ha yang trekam Dolloi ha kaba Bhaskar ula pentip ba uyap biet ya kakol shore jo kajat ben riu penar ha ki arpos na menshwa ha ba uya shimbenta ha ka beden klam kaba julong manla usnam bat nadu kata kapor ula beteng ban wan jungo ya ka Jaintia bun sien bantip company ya shapang ki beriu bat ka call shore ka jongki.
That this book will be not only for reading, but also guiding the future, and the people will know well about the Jaintia Pahar, because there are now so many Northeast, even in Northeast also, they didn't understand about the traditional belief, the customs, the culture, because in my iaka, our custom and culture is very close with the nature, with the environment. So through this book, it will help people to inspire them to be together, how to preserve our life, how to preserve our nature, and how to preserve our people, so that we all want to become peace and happiness. I think through this book, by knowing about the Jaintia, it's knowing about the peace and love among the whole people.
When I first came, I was totally ignorant about Jaintia Hills and Jaintia Kingdom. First I saw Mediklan. I was attracted by the festival. Then after some years, I discovered beautiful things, many beautiful things like culture and civilization. And with the help of actually Bhajap, Jaintia Pahar, he helped me to move everywhere. I went to Natyang, I went to Syllad. I saw many good things, especially the old culture, stone culture of the Jaintia kingdom, that attracted me. And many things like culture and about the community hall, about the system, social system, everything attracted me. But actually my wife, she forced me to write this book. Actually, basically I'm not a writer, I'm a filmmaker. I am interested in filmmaking. I like to make documentaries, feature films. I have directed many documentaries, 2-3 feature films, and first Jaintia picture Manis also I directed. But this is the first time, and now I am determined to write another 2-3 books about Jaintia people, Panar people, about Vedic Club, and I have some programs in future. Last 20 years, after 20 years experience, when I explored whole Jaintia Hills, I moved all over every places, historical places, villages. After that, I decided to write. Still, I have to learn, I have to explore many things, and I will translate it to English, the revised version. I'll add more things. I left some subjects, especially sacred groups and some cultures. So I will add the things in my English book. The book will be the Jaintias. I'll go in detail with some more photographs. So